New in 2012 is the SOLIDWORKS Part Reviewer, and basically this is a tool SOLIDWORKS kind of snuck into the 2012 release that's going to give the user basically a different method of kind of traversing how a model was created in SOLIDWORKS. So traditionally we're accustomed to going over here to the rollback bar and kind of rolling back and forth in the tree, but now we can use the SOLIDWORKS Part Reviewer. So let's take a look. So basically, we need to turn on the add-in in SOLIDWORKS. You should have a SOLIDWORKS Part Reviewer add-in that you can enable, and it's just going to fly up a window here in the task pane. We'll push pin it up here, and it just basically gives us a few button clicks here that we can go and kind of traverse through in kind of a nice user-friendly interface. This is a new feature, so SOLIDWORKS is looking for your feedback, so I would recommend hitting the link here if you like this and want to see some enhancements to this, and kind of join in on the discussion forum that's already started. This is just a link that'll bring you to there. But I can hit next here, and basically it's just going to roll back the tree automatically for me and kind of give me some different feedback here. So if you look here, these notes that you're seeing, sheet metal features are used for the part, can be flattened to create a flat pattern. Okay, this is because a comment was created on this feature. So any comments that are created on features will be displayed here. As I step through these different items, you can kind of see what happens here. You can skip right to the end, go back to the beginning very quickly. You can hit the play button here, and it'll just kind of play slowly through each one. For a few seconds at each one. But this is, in a nutshell, really what the Part Reviewer does. So this will work for any part file in SOLIDWORKS. You can still interact with the model as you're in the Part Reviewer. So if you want to come over here, take a look, edit a sketch, it's just like you're rolled back in the tree. It just is giving you a little different interface to kind of do that. And that's really what the Part Reviewer does. If we close this out and take a look at maybe another model that that somebody created from scratch, and here is just a weldment part. But again, if you take a look here, if we start stepping through this one, you'll notice there's no comments in any of these features here. So if you're not familiar with adding comments, I might like to see a button here that I can add a comment on the fly. But we can see where this goes here in the future. But basically what I could do here is in the SOLIDWORKS tree, if you've never done this before, you can right click and you can add a comment to the SOLIDWORKS feature. So maybe I say here, this is a W36 by 245 profile. Whatever you want to do here. Date and time stamp that if you want, but if I save and close, you're going to notice that's what's going to show up now as that comment item in the SOLIDWORKS Part Reviewer. So it is kind of cool if you want to go in here and really understand how a model was created. And in a nutshell, that's really what the Part Reviewer is intended for, to display comments and just basically allow you to traverse how a model was created inside of SOLIDWORKS. So again, any feedback or questions, definitely hit the forum on the SOLIDWORKS customer portal page and add your comments and see where we can take this tool to the next level. Thanks and enjoy.